2 weeks had passed where Rusty and Sir Handel had dumped Lord Harry into a lake. I'm still here. Someone gonna get me out soon? I'm lonely. But they were having a problem with trucks. Trucks are nothing but trouble, said Reneus. Agreed, said Rusty. Yes, said Sir Handel. I've got one question, said Scarloey. Every time we shoot, why does our background look like a bedroom? I don't know, just go with it. Okay, I know how to teach the trucks a lesson. No! I know how to teach the trucks a lesson, said Sir Handel as he puffed away. They were beating up the engines. Oh! Yay, they're gone. No, we ain't. We're just a surprise waiting to happen. What? Ow. Oh, no. Stop it. Oh, I got a black eye. Ow. No. Yes, these trucks need to be taught a good lesson. I've got an idea, said Reneus. And he puffed away.
All right, dude.
Reneus needed to take some trucks off a bridge. Come on, said his driver. Let's go. But instead of Reneus puffing away with the truck, he hit the truck so hard, they all came off the bridge. Whoa. Hey, what are you still doing up here, Shorty? I think we handled them pretty well, said Reneus. I disagree, said the driver. What about the guard? I think the guard will be okay. Reneus puffed home, so happy. Oh, somebody help me! I've been stuck down here for 2 weeks. Get used to it. Nobody checks this place. Can I climb in your cab? No, you're way too big. How's that possible? How come I can fit in the guard's van, but not an engine? I don't know. My driver left me like 5 months ago. You were here 5 months? No, not really. Okay, I feel better.